Hi there and welcome back to the Cozy Craftsmosphere. Today I want to talk about this beautiful kit and I want to give you my first impression on it. This diamond painting kit is by Diamond Art Club and it is called Kewpies Floriferous Hummingsbird by Carrie Goller. It is a medium-sized kit. It is 28 inches by 22 inches and it is a round drills kit. I already put in some of the drills so I can give you an impression of how the canvas is and also what I think about the quality of the drills. But first of all, let's talk about the drills and the colors. As you can see, this kit is more on the darker side when it comes to the colors, but it also has some light areas and some really beautiful colors in it. All in all, it has 79 colors, including 2 Aurora Borealis, so 2 AB drills, and also 2 fairy dust diamonds. So let's have a look at some of the diamonds. I already put them in my containers, but we will have a look at them together. So these are all the colors that come with the kit. As I said, 79 colors and 4 of them are special drills, which are these 4. I'll show them to you in a second. So we have quite a few darker colors like bluish, like this one, blue-gray. We also have like really dark blues like this one, very nice though. But we also have popping colors like a yellow beige color or this pink one. As you can see, it's not a lot of pink drills though. Or look at this one, it's also very nice. I'm assuming it is probably this part over here, like small parts of the hummingbird. And then we have the 4 special drills, which are these ones. We have this one, this is yellow. Very sparkly, really nice. We also have this one, also an AB drill, a green color. We have this fairy dust, again yellow. And we have a white fairy dust. 2 of the special drills I already used, so you can see them on the canvas in a second. So the quality of the drills is as expected with Diamond Art Club. They are very nice quality, they are shiny, they are colorful, so there's nothing bad to say about these diamonds. Also, the canvas is sticky, so I didn't have any issues placing the diamonds, and it comes with the cover that is perforated, so you can do separate sections at a time. And you don't have to uncover the whole canvas or use release paper. I mean, you could still use release paper if you prefer it, but I decided not to for this kit because I think it works pretty well with just uncovering parts of the canvas while you're working on a certain part. So let's put that aside and then I will zoom you in a little bit. Great, so here you can see some of the drills that I have already put on the canvas. You can see here we have the fairy dust, which is the white color. We also have the AB green, which is very beautiful. And we also have quite a few of the darker colors. Some of the colors are more like a pastel, I'd say. As you can see here, these colors, very nice. It's like, it almost looks like they are fading into each other, like these cotton candy background, even though it obviously is not cotton candy as it is pretty dark, but I think maybe part of this might give you the impression of cotton candy, as it seems to be a lighter area of the picture. Let's close that up so it's protected, and let's have a look at the other areas in the canvas. I hope you can see them. I think you can. So as you can see, The symbols are very clear to read, no issues with that. Also, I think it is quite a detailed canvas, so I'm hoping that the picture will look very nice once it's finished. And yeah, that's basically it. That's my first impression on this new Diamond Art Club kit that I just recently got. So let me know in the comments, do you like this kit? Is it something that you're interested in as well? I'm not sure if the kit is still available at the moment. I know it was sold out for a while, but it might be restocked. You never know. Are you more interested in pictures and paintings about animals like this one, these cute little birds, or do you prefer like fantasy pictures or landscapes? What is your favorite, and what are you working on at the moment? Great, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe, and have a look at the other content, which is also about diamond painting and different crafts like resin art or crocheting. Thanks for watching. See you next time.